to introduce you with a new buffet. It's just opened few months back.
And the taste of that restaurant is?
We heard it's very good. And not much dishes, but they are quality dishes, and we're gonna share our experience with you guys. So, welcome to Enjoy Star Food. As usual, behind the camera is Leah.
Hello everyone and Happy New Year!
And Happy New Year as well, and we're gonna meet you there. Bye bye.
Okay, see ya!
So we're just look at Park Food Kitchen. So let's go inside.
So guys, the ambience of the restaurant is looking very good. So KB, what's your view about the ambience of this restaurant?
It's very good. Black and gold.
Yeah.
Very good. Not spacious restaurant.
Let's come on. Show me the dishes.
Okay, let's take a look what's inside here. This is chicken biryani.
Hold on.
Chicken biryani.
Yep.
Okay. Steam is coming out. Okay. Then we have goat kadai. Okay. And mixed dal fry. So this is kind of a lentil, fried
Yep.
lentils. Okay.
Oh wow!
And this is
सरसों का साग.
Sasuka saag. So this is basically mustard leaves. Yeah. Then we have sadam.
Salam.
Okay.
KB, the next dish is your favorite one.
And this
Yes,
one
what it is? It's Sikh kebab.
So here are seekh kebab. There, I think so they need to bring in more.
Yep.
Okay.
We have chutneys as
Two
well.
type of chutneys. This is like a mint chutney, right? And this is kind of maybe spicy chutney.
Yeah.
Then in the desserts.
No,
oh,
right
actually,
now we have
there's a
salad.
salad. So it's a mixed salad. Okay. And
Zarda.
then this is sweet. It's called zarda. It's a sweet rice, right? With
Yeah.
mix some dry fruits and yeah, something like that. Okay, it's good.
Look at that. So these are the takeaway dishes.
Yeah.
And it's paya, tawa keema, and it's nihari,
Yeah.
chicken tikka. So it's butter chicken.
Yeah.
They have zarda, they have biryani, they have pulao. Lot of dishes for the takeaway. As usual, KB is trying first seekh kebab, which is
I'm gonna
all the
start
time
with
his favorite one.
Yeah, I'm gonna start with the seekh kebabs. This is my favorite thing. And you want to taste some biryani?
Not right now.
Okay. I'm gonna taste some biryani. This is chicken biryani. I can see some lemon in it. You see that?
Lemon.
Yeah.
is right now trying the chutney.
Take some green chutney.
It's with yogurt.
I think so. Yogurt is next.
So right now
Okay, here you go, guys.
we have biryani, seed kebab, salad.
Okay, so today Dia gonna give us a review. I'm gonna make a bite for her, and I'm gonna ask her how it is. Okay. Oh, here we got the fresh
wow.
naans.
Thank you very much
Here you go.
for
man.
this fresh naan.
Awesome. That's awesome. Okay. So you wanna try first kebab without the naan?
Yep, let me try first
Yeah.
the kebab.
I'm gonna taste as well. So this is the texture, spongy. How you feeling?
Spicy?
Yeah, it's spicy. Yeah, spicy.
I think so. It's a beef.
Yeah, it's a beef seekh kebab. So you wanna try with the naan?
I'm gonna try with the chutney.
Okay. Let me try our rocket bite, guys. I'm gonna take some chutney. I'm gonna put some salad on it, right? Cucumber, lettuce, onions. So here you go. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Just keep it keep in mind it's so spicy.
All the time, my favorite one thing is naan, and it
Naan.
should be fresh.
Yeah, very
So
fresh.
it is in front
Yeah.
of me, so oh my god.
Oh wow. Let's try biryani. Right. So because it's a buffet, so I think so they brought it in this biryani a little bit earlier, and it's seemed like already steamed a lot. So it seemed like a little bit dry. Right? Okay. You try?
Yep. How it is?
Good and spicy.
Let me try.
It's very good.
Put aside the lemon.
Yeah. How it is, ma'am?
The taste is good.
Taste is very good. Yeah.
Not too much spicy, but it's spicy. Because it's biryani, and you know the biryani all the time is spicy.
Yeah. We're gonna bring other dishes and meet you with those dishes. Okay. So
Okay.
see you in
Please
a
stay
bit.
with us. So what is this?
Okay. So the next dishes is. So this is goat curry. Okay. This is fried dal. It's been it's called saag, but basically it's a mustard leaves, right? And they cook it kind of a curry, right? So man, so that was really spicy. So, oh man, I'm feeling ready. So let's try the goat curry first, right? So I brought it in some T-bones. It's a big chunk of goat. It's very tender. You see that? Huh?
Yep.
Yeah, it's very tender. I can see some green coriander. Right. So let's try that.
How it is?
It's okay. After spicy kebab, I can't feel
You can
spicy.
you
But it's
cannot
very good.
feel the spices.
Yeah, it's good, not bad. Like meat is very tender. and it's basically a typical goat curry.
Okay, let me try it.
You want to try?
I wanna give my review.
Okay. Let's try.
So I'm
This one
gonna.
here, a chunk of meat. Yeah. Just a typical curry, right?
After spicy kebab,
Yeah, you can't feel any more spicy,
the
right?
picture is totally changed now.
Yeah. So that's I said, like after spicy kebab, I can't feel any more spice, but it's a typical curry, right?
But it's good for me. That
It's a
spicy is good because it's not spicy.
Yeah. Okay, let's try that mustard thing. So usually this is a kind of
Saag.
a culture dish in South Asia when like there is a mustard grown up, so they pick the baby leaf and like cook as a curry, right? Something
Yep.
like that. So I took some of that. I'm gonna take my experience with it.
It's spicy.
Salty, spicy. It's okay, not bad. Actually, it's good. So now I'm going to try a fried lentil, right? So just a simple lentil. So try that. That is very good. Now that dessert time, guys. So this is a kind of a cultural dish. It's called zarra, right? It's basically basmati rice, sweet basmati rice. They put some kind of sweets in it. You see that? Those are the sweets, and I think so. They have the pistachio as well. These are the pistachio, right? And typically it's got also almond as well, right? But I can see the pistachio today. Maybe this is the almond. And I'm gonna try this dessert today with this kind of sweet. There are different color of sweet. So I'm gonna try this. But I'm gonna put some pistachio as well on it. Take a rocket bite, guys. Okay, you see that? There's some coconut as well. Good. It's very good. It's a culture dish, so I know the taste. So this fulfill all the taste of the cultural dish. It's very good. Yeah, I think you should try that, man. Very good. So thank you very much watching enjoystarfood. Please keep us watching, subscribe us, and give us a thumbs up. So
And again, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, and we'll see you in another flavor video. And yeah.
Thanks for watching.